Here we go, 4th graders. Your learning target is I could take notes and categorize information. So let's get started. So I've got my folder here. When I'm taking notes, I need my folder. You're also going to need note cards. Any notes you take, you're going to be putting in your folder to organize your information using Tarzan words. So I'm reading this article, top 3 reasons the U.S. should switch to year-round school. Now, as I look at this, I've kind of read through this intro already, so I'm going to skip that. But I'm looking down here at it's an easy way, or I'm sorry, students will actually remember what they learn. That goes with one of my envelopes I have, where I have it will improve performance. So I'm going to read through this. Year-round schooling means that students do not fall victim to the summer slide or the well-documented phenomenon where students learn some of the knowledge they work so hard to attain when much consecutive time is taken off from school. Don't think I really want to write anything from there. I'm looking more for facts and numbers. A study released in 2007 by The Ohio State University found that there are really no differences in learning between students who attend school year-round and those who are on a traditional schedule. Well, that's not going to really help me either, because I want to convince people we should have year-round school. However, the National Summer Learning Association often cites decades of research that show it can take up anywhere from 8 to 13 weeks at the beginning of every school year for teachers to get their students back up to speed and ready to learn the new grades material. So I'm going to put that into my own words. I'm going to write some Tarzan words on a note card. So here's what I've written. I've written beginning of school year, 8 to 13 weeks to learn new stuff, according to National Summer Learning Association. So I wrote kind of some Tarzan words right here. On the back, I've written the website I got it from, theadvocate.org. I've written the date and the title of the article. So the title of the article is right there. Now what I have to do is put it in my envelope. So I've got here improves school performance, right where my hand is. So I am going to put my note card into my envelope, and now I have categorized my information. So that is how you take notes, categorize information. So your notes are those Tarzan words that you're reading about, and then categorizing it is putting it in your folder.